America is entering a new era. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing technology, it's changing the way millions of people work.
From hospitals to highways, classrooms to corporate offices, AI is becoming part of everyday jobs across America.
But here's the real question. Is AI replacing people or helping them work smarter?
Technology has always changed work. AI is simply the next step, but it's moving faster than ever before. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes with the right AI tools.
In healthcare, AI helps doctors analyze medical images faster, but trained professionals still make the final diagnosis.
Students use AI to learn faster, while teachers use it to create lessons and spend more time helping their class.
Factories are becoming smarter as AI improves quality control, predicts maintenance, and supports human workers. Transportation companies are using AI to plan efficient routes, reduce fuel costs, and improve delivery times.
Creators are using AI to edit videos, generate captions, and produce content faster than ever.
Companies use AI to summarize meetings, analyze data, and help teams make faster decisions.
Security teams also rely on AI to spot unusual activity quickly, helping them respond to potential cyber threats.
The biggest advantage isn't replacing people, it's helping them complete routine tasks more efficiently. Restaurants are using AI to manage inventory, forecast demand, and reduce food waste.
So, which careers will change the most, and which skills will matter in the future? Let's find out.
Let's start with finance. AI is helping analysts process massive amounts of data in seconds, revealing patterns that would take humans much longer to find.
Banks are using AI to assist with fraud detection and risk analysis, while people continue making the final financial decisions. Law firms use AI to search documents faster, allowing attorneys to spend more time on strategy and client advocacy.
Real estate professionals use AI to analyze market trends, create listings, and deliver more personalized customer experiences.
Construction teams use AI and drones to improve planning, increase safety, and track project progress more efficiently.
Even farming is changing. AI helps monitor crops, optimize irrigation, and identify plant health issues before they spread.
Retail stores use AI to manage inventory, forecast demand, and streamline the shopping experience.
AI chatbots answer common questions instantly, while human agents focus on conversations that require empathy and problem-solving.
Developers are using AI to speed up coding, identify bugs, and automate repetitive programming tasks.
Marketing professionals use AI to analyze customer behavior, generate ideas, and personalize campaigns at scale.
Modern warehouses combine robotics and AI to move products efficiently, while teams manage operations and quality.
Transportation systems also benefit from AI, which helps improve scheduling, traffic management, and operational efficiency.
Notice the pattern? AI isn't limited to one profession. It's becoming a tool that supports workers across nearly every industry.
A common saying is that AI won't replace everyone, but people who learn to use AI effectively may have an advantage in many workplaces.
Next, we'll look at which skills are becoming more valuable in the AI era and how you can prepare for the future of work. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI, not just around it.
Problem solving is becoming one of the most valuable skills. AI can generate answers, but people still decide which solutions work best.
Creativity remains a powerful human advantage. AI can generate ideas, but people bring originality, taste, and direction.
Leadership, communication, and teamwork are difficult to automate. These skills continue to grow in importance.
AI engineers and machine learning specialists are helping build the next generation of intelligent technologies.
Small businesses are using AI to automate routine tasks, giving owners more time to focus on customers and growth.
Across America, students are learning AI skills today to prepare for tomorrow's careers.
Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand as organizations protect their system.
AI adoption continues to grow across industries, making digital skills increasingly valuable for many roles.
The future workplace is likely to be built around collaboration between people and intelligent tools.
Every profession is evolving differently, but one trend is clear: AI is becoming part of everyday work.
The biggest opportunity isn't fearing AI, it's learning how to use it effectively.
But one important question remains: what does all this mean for the future of jobs in America? Let's explore that next. The future of work isn't about humans versus AI. It's about people learning to work alongside powerful new technology. Whether you work in healthcare, education, construction, or engineering, AI is becoming another tool in the workplace.
The most valuable workers won't simply use AI. They'll know how to review, improve, and apply its output.
Technology keeps evolving. The people who continue learning are often the ones who adapt best to change. One skill stands above all the rest: the willingness to keep learning as technology continues to change. AI is changing how we work, but people remain at the center of innovation, leadership, and meaningful decisions.
If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI, subscribe to Future AI Hub. Every week, we bring you the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video.